This is your time to relax, to remove unwanted tension from your muscles and your body. Close your eyes and begin to focus on how your breath feels without judging, just being curious. Taking deep and slow breaths. You can count to 4 on your in-breath and to 6 on your out-breath. So your in-breath is shorter than your out-breath. Just check in to the moment by just noticing on how it feels when you're breathing. This is your time just to be as you are right here and right now. You don't have to change anything. You're soon going to tense different muscles. When doing this, just examine how it feels when you tense the muscles and what you can feel when you relax them. You can begin now and clench your left fist. You can clench it a bit harder so you can feel the tension arise in your left hand. Good. Now you can relax your left hand and notice how it feels when you relax it. Can you feel a tingling sensation in your fingers? Do your fingers feel warmer or colder, heavier or lighter? Just examine how it feels for you. Do the same thing now to your right hand. Clench your right hand so you can feel how it tenses in your right hand. Maybe a bit harder. Good. Now you can relax your right hand and notice how it feels. Do you feel a tingling sensation? Do you feel warmth or cold? Just notice how your right hand feels. Is it heavier or lighter? Now at the same time, clench both your hands a bit harder and notice how the tension rises in both your hands. Good. And when you relax now, just notice how it feels when both your hands relax. Good. Now pull your shoulders towards your ear tips so you can feel your shoulders being tense, and maybe your neck and throat also feels more tense doing this. Remember to breathe. Just notice how it feels when the tension rises. Good. Now relax your shoulders. Notice how it feels when you relax. Do your shoulders feel heavier, lighter? Is it a tingling sensation in your neck, your shoulders, your throat? Does it feel warmer, colder, heavier or lighter? Good. Once more, pull your shoulders towards your ear tips so the tension arises again. Remember to breathe and let the tension build up in your shoulders, your neck, your throat. Good. Now you can relax again. Notice how it feels when you relax. Good. You can now frown your forehead by pulling your eyebrows upwards. Feeling the tension build up in your forehead. Just notice how it feels when the tension builds up. Good. Relax now and notice how your forehead feels. Now you can close your eyes. Close them hard so you can feel the tension, how it builds up. Good. Relax now. And notice how your eyes feel. Do they feel warmer, softer, more relaxed? Good. Now you can bite your teeth together so the tension rises in your jaw. Good. Relax your jaw, your cheeks. Now you can form your lips as an O. Pout your lips so you can feel the tension build up in your lips. Good. Relax your lips now and notice how your whole face is feeling right now. Good. I now want you to take a deep breath in and hold your breath, and don't breathe out until I tell you to do so. But if it takes too long time, of course you can breathe out. But take the deep breath in now and hold it. You can feel the tension building up in your whole body when you're holding your breath. And breathe out and feel how the tension is leaving your body. Good. If you're sitting down, you can push your feet straight down towards the floor, the surface. If you're lying down, you can push your heels towards the surface. And you can feel how the tension is building up in both your legs when you're pushing downwards. Maybe a bit harder so you can feel the tension build up. Good. Relax now and notice how it feels in your legs. You feel a tingling sensation, your legs feel heavier or lighter. What can you feel in your legs? You can now keep the heels on the surface And try to angle your toes towards your face, so you can feel the tension building up in your calves. Just notice how the tension feels. And when you relax now, you can feel how both your legs feel. And again, steer your attention to your breathing. Notice how it feels when you breathe in, when you count to 4 when you breathe in, and how it feels when you breathe out when you count to 6. Just notice also how the whole of your body feels. Just giving yourself a moment to feel the effect of the muscle relaxation spreading in your body. Good. You can begin to move your fingers a bit, your toes, maybe roll your shoulders, stretch your arms above your head if you want to, maybe take a big yawn. And when you're ready, you're welcome to open your eyes again. And I wish you a very nice day.